Hi, this is Jessica for 2danimation101.com, and today I'm going to talk about editing the animatic. So I have all the images of the storyboard inside Premiere Pro, and also I have the sound file ready. All I do now is click and drag the sound file, which is this one, the one with the waveform icon. Click and drag to the timeline. If you notice, I can't put on these tracks because those tracks are exclusively for video. That's why I will put it on the audio tracks. Any audio track will do. I just prefer to put it on the top one. Oh, and also, I put it on the very beginning of the sequence. I release the mouse and BAM! Now we have the sound on the sequence. Let's hear it. Let me just expand this track by clicking and dragging the bottom of the track and there. I hit space and...
There. Is this thing working? Oh my god! It's working!
Very good. It's all going according to plan. Now, I go to the project panel and select the first file. Who is better? 01.jpg. I click and drag to put it on the timeline, on top of the audio track, on this video track. Let me expand the video track as well. There. And if you want to do zoom in or zoom out, you just have to press the plus sign or the minus sign. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, let me zoom in. If I hold shift and scroll the mouse wheel, I can navigate through the timeline. Or I can click and drag the bottom bar of the timeline. There. To change the position of the cursor, I just click on this area on top of the timeline panel. What I want is to put this image here. I think here is perfect. Now I play it and...
There. Is this thing working?
Where it says, is this thing working?
Is this thing working?
I'm going to cut by pressing Ctrl K. I delete this end by selecting it and pressing delete. Now I take the second file, click and drag right after the first image. There. Now I play it to see if it fits. I click on top of the timeline to move the cursor and hit space to play it.
There. Is this thing working? Oh my god! It's working!
And now she gets excited and says, oh my god, it's working!
Oh my god! It's working!
Around there, I click on this clip, press Ctrl K, select the other end, and hit delete to remove it. I click and drag the third image. I move the cursor again to the beginning and play it again.
There. Is this thing working? Oh my god! It's working!
And so on. What I keep on doing is, I put all the storyboard images according to the sound, one by one. Let me fast forward this. Now, while this thing is running, I want to point out something important. You notice that the storyboard made by Mark Diaz has the dialogue for each character. That is because it helps to do the animatic way faster and easier. Because I can read what the characters are saying on the image, and so my work gets easier and I take a couple of minutes to finish the animatic. It took me around 10 minutes to finish it, maybe less. So now, the animatic is finished. In the next lesson, we can see how this animatic looks like. Normally, use the animatic to get feedback and make some modifications. To know more about this subject, you can check our course, Direct and Produce Animation. But anyway, the storyboard you see and this animatic is the third version of our work. See you on the next lesson!